Hello friends, now in this our numerical series on the first law of thermodynamics, today we will see the numericals based on the constant pressure process. So our fundamentals are remains constant. We have to visualize the problem statement, make an interaction with a problem statement properly so that you will be get the correct answer within a short period of time. So the problem statement is in front of you, that is 1 kg of nitrogen at a temperature of 150 degrees Celsius occupies a volume of 0.2 meter cube. The gas undergoes a constant pressure expansion without friction to a final volume of 0.36 meter cube. Calculate the final temperature, work done and heat transfer during the process. So CV value 743 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Universal gas constant 0.297 kilojoule per kg Kelvin is mentioned in the problem itself. So we have to calculate the final temperature, work done during a process and heat transfer for a particular process. So let us move as per our norms. Let us draw first the PV diagram for a given process. So this is the PV plane. So this is the state 1 to state 2 follows the gas constant pressure process. So from 1 to 2 the gas follows the constant pressure process, and as we know, area below this curve represent the work done for a particular process. So this is a given information from the problem. Mass 1 kg, CV value and R value is mentioned here. So T1 150, it is given in degree Celsius. We have to convert it in a degree Kelvin. So that is 423 degree Kelvin, the temperature at the initial stage. V1 V2 already given in the problem, that is volume at first point. So this is V1, this is V2. So V1 V2 values are known to us. Okay, so we have to find out T2 final temperature, work done and delta Q, that is heat transfer. So let us see how we can go. From the gas equation, calculate the value of P1, that is P1 is equal to mRT1 by V1. So we will get the value of pressure. This is the P1 and P2 and P1 remains constant. So it is a constant pressure process. Okay. So calculate as usual Cp, that is R plus Cv. We will get the value of Cp, that is specific heat at constant pressure, that Cp value. Now T2, we are interested to find out the temperature at the final stage, that is final temperature. So for that, let us use this equation. V1 by T1 is equal to V2 divided by T2. So by knowing this equation, we will get the temperature at this stage, and that comes 761.4 degree Kelvin. That is our first answer. Now work done in a particular constant pressure process is given by this equation. W is equal to integration of P dV. So this is the formula to calculate the work done for a constant pressure process. Okay, so here P is constant, that comes out of integral sign here, and we have to take the integration of dV, that means final volume minus of V1 value. Okay, initial value, that is V2 by V1. So by using this, we will get the work done for a particular process, that comes 100.5 kilojoule. So this is our second answer. Now coming to the last, heat transfer for a particular process, that is given by the formula Q12. Okay, and mCp T2 minus T1 is the our formula to calculate the heat transfer. So m value 1 is mentioned, mass of the gas 1 kilogram. Cp value we have calculated, and T2 and T1 we are known to us. So by using this, let us calculate the Q12, and that comes 352 kilojoule. This is our required answer. So in this way we have to move ahead to get the complex situations. So though it looks easy, but fundamentals are remain constant. So in upcoming video we will see how first law of thermodynamics can be applicable to solve the numericals on isothermal or constant temperature process.